They got an LLC. I need a Kane County Sheriff.
Okay. You can't get in there, so banging on the door is not gonna help.
My fish is in there, bro.
You can't get in there. I can't get in there either. So.
And you change the locks on my shit. My fish is in her apartment, bro.
Okay, where are you trying to go right now?
I was on a crash. She wouldn't even pick me up. Couldn't get an Uber. LGBT ain't good for shit. Y'all lie and cover shit up. Call her.
I don't know who that is.
Of course you don't, because she's an undercover. And he a drunk driver. He drive that blue Toyota in the. When I got home from vacation, he parked nose first to my car. He drive a blue Toyota down there. All he want to do is call the police. Call the police.
All right, that's enough. We're not getting in there, and banging on a door is not doing anything. Okay? Right now you're disturbing everyone. You're disturbing the peace.
I understand that. I'm gonna walk down them stairs.
Please, can you go down the stairs then? Because you were just
I need
nothing
the
over
ring
here.
camera to hear that. I did not trespass. Use a lie. You better go in your apartment.
Okay. Yeah, just that's it.
You better go in your apartment. You better go in your apartment. Nah, you crazy.
Kelly.
I speak English and Spanish.
Kelly.
You better go in your apartment. She got on a body cam, bro. I already called ICE. I'm waiting on Donald Trump, bro.
Okay, he's not coming.
Nah, he
Let's
is.
go downstairs. Come on.
He is.
You just dropped some of your stuff.
He is.
Okay.
Because I've been moving for months.
Okay.
Told me her badge number is 2088. She's an undercover state trooper.
What is she helping you with?
Moving. Vacated. You see that LLC on the door?
Mm-hmm.
You see that?
I saw it.
This property is protected by a prayer. No trespassing. Kane County Sheriff. LGBT don't do shit but lie and cover shit up. Move cars around and cover shit up. All that shit is my shit, bro. My phone is right here. I've been moved out this apartment.
Okay, can you get a ride?
Yeah, I'm finna call it right now.
Okay, let's do that.
Y'all better
Careful.
get away from me.
I'm not near
y'all.
you.
I do not trust y'all.
Okay.
And he's a drunk driver. When I got back from vacation, his blue Toyota was parked nose first. He a drunk driver. I spoke to him for 10 years going down upstairs.
All right, let's cut a ride. You said you were calling someone.
Now record that. You gonna put a ring camera on a one bedroom with a pissy pad? Nasty shit, bro. I've been moved out. Y'all better escort somebody else. The prayer changes things. This is mine. I bought this from the thrift store, bro. No trespass. We gonna take this to the police station.
Is there an order of protection or anything?
We gonna take
Kelly.
this to the police station, bro.
$10-4.
My whole kitchen is in here. My kitchen's in here somewhere.
So you know you're not supposed to be at this address, right?
I don't live here.
It doesn't matter. You're here.
You're wearing a body cam, right?
Yep. It shows that you're here.
And if y'all trespass against me, the undercover that'd be parked right there.
502.
You don't know her. She don't work for LGPD. I got this shit in the back.
Is there another early car available? This is going to be in violation of order of protection.
Come over here. Don't call LGPD. Don't call no police officer. Because y'all escorted him right there. You pulled up and sped off this lot, bro. I can't even drive. I fucking walked from Judson University with crutches. I've been moved out this place.
Okay.
Nobody better not touch my shit, bro. Nobody better not touch my shit.
Do you remember getting served an order of protection that you can't be at this address?
I know that.
Okay, that means you can't be here.
I'm leaving. I'm finna go to my
No.
keys to my car, bro.
No. You're under arrest.
I am.
You're under arrest. Come over here.
Stop walking.
I'm not walking.
You are walking.
I'm not walking. I'm not walking.
Stop walking. You're under arrest. Keep walking. You're going to get another charge. That's it. You're done. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. Thank you.
Are you wearing a body cam?
Yes.
I need you to be less aggressive.
Okay.
I need you to be less
Okay.
aggressive.
You're a
I need you to be less aggressive.
Stop.
I need you to be less aggressive. I need you to be less aggressive. I need you to be less aggressive. I need you to be less aggressive.
Give me your arm.
You already broke one nail. You already broke one ankle.
Can we get another unit out here?
Bruh, calm.
Stop.
Stop. Put your hands behind your back. No.
Put your hands behind your back now.
No. Put your hands behind your back. No. Break my arm. Break my arm. Break my arm. I dare you. I dare
Don't
you.
you f***ing bite me.
I dare you.
Give me your arm.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope.
Give me your arm.
Break my pinky. Break my pinky. You already broke my shit, bro. You already broke my shit, bro.
Put your arms behind your back.
Nope.
Give me your arm.
Nope.
Give me your arm.
No.
Yes.
No.
Give me your arm.
I'm not resisting.
You are.
I don't live there.
Give me your arm.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Give me your arm.
No. Get off my back.
Stop.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are. Put your hands behind your back.
Do we
No.
have units coming?
No. You already broke my fucking pinky.
Give me your arm.
No.
Give me your arm now.
No.
You are under arrest. You're
I don't
resisting
give a
arrest.
shit.
Give me your arm.
No.
Put your hands
Give me your arm.
behind your back.
No.
Do it now.
Break my arm.
We're not gonna break your
Break
arm.
my arm. Break my arm. You already broke my nail. You already broke my nail.
Get
Break
down.
my wrist. Break my wrist. Break my wrist. Break my wrist.
No.
Get down.
2088.
Get down on the
2088.
ground now.
No.
Give me your arm.
No.
Kelly,
Stop
you're making this worse for yourself. Give
No,
me your
I'm
arm.
not.
Yes, you
I'm
are.
not even on the property.
You were on the property.
Property, okay? It
I-
Give
I
me your
came-
arm now.
There now.
I came off.
Kelly, give me your arm.
Nope.
You're not calling anybody.
I am.
Give me your arm.
No.
Do it.
No, you already broke my shit, bro.
Okay.
No.
Put your behind your back and
Get off my
Give me
back,
your
bro.
arm.
No.
I was in a drunk driving accident.
I don't
Get off my
matter.
leg.
Get me
No.
your arm. We're still on the ground with her, trying to take her into custody. We need more units.
Stop. Stop. No. You wearing a body cam, ain't you? Now we
Give
in the
me
dirt.
your arm.
Nope.
Yes.
Don't
Give
get
me
that.
your arm.
No.
I got one cup on.
Where is it at?
Right here. I
Dude,
have it.
put your hand behind your back, dude. Dude, there's no
You already
fighting.
broke my
There's
shit.
no
You
fighting
already
anymore.
broke my shit.
There's no fighting
You already
anymore,
broke
dude.
my shit.
It's done.
You already broke my shit.
Well,
you already
maybe
broke my
maybe
shit.
you didn't resist. How
You
about
already
that?
broke
Right?
my shit. You already broke my shit. You already broke my shit. You already breaking
Let
another
him go.
fucking
Let him go.
pinky.
You're good. You're
You
good. I
better
got
give
him.
me
I got him.
that crock. You better give me that crock. Oh, you kicking me in the eye, bro.
No one's kicking you
Yes,
anywhere,
you
dude.
are. You just kicked me.
Let go. Let go.
No, call my
Are you
lawyer.
gonna let go?
Call my lawyer.
You can call him at the jail. How about that, huh?
That shit hurt, bro.
Yeah. Well, maybe you quit resisting.
Stop.
Maybe if you give me my crock, I can walk home. You always want to short serve somebody.
Okay, you guys want to roll on our side?
Roll him my way.
Call 2088. Call 2088. Call 2088.
Stop.
Call 2088. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going
Stand
nowhere.
up. Are you gonna stand up?
Are you gonna
You're
stand
not?
Nope. Call my lawyer.
right.
Call my lawyer. Call my f***ing lawyer. Call my f***ing lawyer.
Are you gonna
How
stand
you
up?
gonna break my wrist, bro?
Then stand
You
up.
gonna break my wrist,
Then
bro?
stand up.
You gonna break my wrist, bro?
Take a beat.
You gonna break my wrist,
Take a
bro?
beat.
I need you to stand up, okay? We'll take care of you, okay? Stand up, please.
I need my Crocs. Y'all took my Crocs short serving
They're
me.
right here.
Those are not Crocs. Those are Birkenstocks.
Well, what were you wearing?
That's what you were wearing.
I was wearing Crocs when you short served me over there.
Kelly, what car are we putting her in?
What
Kelly.
car?
Yeah.
I'm not even driving.
151 Douglas Ave.
For what?
This is mine right here.
Where's 2088? Where's 2088, bro? Where's 2088? They broke my fucking pinky, bro. You gonna break my wrist, bro?
Your pinky.
I was
fine.
not violating nothing. That notice right there says to call Kane County. Y'all not Kane County.
She
My
got
car
it.
not even
No,
in
mine's-
this
mine's
lot.
right here.
I ain't going nowhere.
All right, let's get up.
Drag me, drag me, drag me, nope, drag me, nope. I was out here doing yoga. Drag me,
Stand up.
drag me,
Go ahead, lift her up.
drag me, drag me, drag me, drag me, drag me. You gonna drag me? Don't y'all some, y'all some, y'all some,
Stand up.
y'all some.
Stand up.
Y'all some. Y'all some.
We're going over this way.
Y'all some. I don't even live here.
Get in the car.
Call the little. Ah!
Get in the car.
Nope.
Get in.
Nope. Nope.
Get in the car.
Get in the car.
Stand
Nope.
up.
Nope. You're gonna have to break my legs in this motherfucker.
Stand up.
You're gonna have to break my legs.
What are you getting out of this?
Bro, I
We are
can't
going
sit
to
there.
LGP. Kelly.
Nope.
We are going to LGP.
Nope.
You
Nope.
can call your lawyer when we
Nope.
get up.
Come on, let's go.
Nope. Nope.
What do you want us to do for you that we can get you in the car?
You ain't getting me in this car, bro. I got a scar right here, bro.
Okay, you said something
I got a low white blood cell
you
count.
need us
I ain't
to
going to
call
jail.
somebody. I won't close the door for you.
Go in the
I need you to
Lululemon
call,
wristlet
okay?
and call her. She's my emergency
Take
contact.
a seat in the car. I'm not gonna
I
close the
cannot,
door.
bro. I cannot, bro.
Listen to me.
I cannot, bro.
Take a seat in the car.
I cannot, bro. You broke my wrist last time. You broke my toe last time. You see that toe?
I wasn't here.
That
last
shit
time.
was broken. You gonna break my leg, bro? You gonna break my leg, bro?
Sit down.
You gonna break? Ah!
Sit down. Let's go.
Get inside.
No,
Get in.
no. You don't have to
Sit in
break
the
my
car and
legs.
we'll call-
I got a low white blood cell count. Call my emergency contact, bro. Bro, I wasn't even at there.
Okay, so just sit in the car and we'll.
Call her right now. Get the Lululemon
That's what I'm
wristlet.
trying to do for you. If you
Get
just
the
sit in
Lululemon
car.
wristlet. I can't fit in the back of a squad car, bro. I need a paddy wagon. I need a paddy.
You don't need a paddy wagon.
Sit down. Sit down.
You broke my
Pull your
wire
feet in.
cells.
Pull your feet in.
You broke my wire cells.
Well,
on the
get
prescription.
inside.
It's a prescription. I can't.
Pull your feet in.
No, I don't live here. My car not even here.
Get inside.
No.
Get
Break
inside.
my wrist.
Get
Break my
inside.
wrist.
Get inside.
Break my wrist like you broke my toes.
Get inside.
No. Call the sheriff. Call Kane County Sheriff. She's on that notice, bro. Call Kane County Sheriff. I literally just asked the sheriff. He said, don't call LGPD.
We have a double cage.
Call Kane County Sheriff. Call Kane County. Call Kane County.
Okay, you need to calm down, Kelly, okay? You're going
Please.
to jail right now.
I ain't bothering nobody. You broke my prescription glasses.
Well, you're fighting with us.
I'm not. I'm legally blind.
Okay.
That's not an excuse to fight with us, okay?
I'm not.
Yes, you
I'm not
are.
resisting shit.
Then get inside.
No, I can't fit in there.
See, that's resisting. Get
No,
inside.
I told you
You
I have a
can fit,
wild
Kelly.
load. Nope,
You can fit in there.
I cannot.
Yes,
Do you
you-
see this bone? You broke my fucking toes last time, bro.
Okay.
Short service somebody. Nope.
Well, I didn't do that.
Well, Kane County did, and the
that's-
fucking sheriff
that's-
told me,
that's King
don't
County.
go to LGPD. He said, don't trust them. They dirty. 60123 is dirty.
Calm down.
I've been sitting on this car waiting for pick me up. My car not even here.
Can you figure out what she's under arrest for?
Yeah, exactly. Figure out why I'm under arrest. Why am I under arrest, officer?
Violation of order of protection.
Oh,
You are
okay.
not supposed to be
There
here.
you go.
I wasn't here. I was waiting for.
You were up there banging on doors.
No, I was waiting. Walked up to the balcony.
Okay.
I don't want to spit in your face.
Please don't.
Those are my
Please do
prescription
not spit in my
YSL.
face. I'm
Those are my
telling you to be
prescription
spit out.
YSL.
Kelly, can you hear me
clean
out?
up.
One way or another, you're
Come on,
going.
clean up.
You're going to jail one way or another.
Nope.
Okay.
Nope.
Yes, you are.
No,
They're
I'm
trying to
not.
make you
Doing-
sit in the car right now. They just need you to hold your own weight so you're not falling.
I
off.
can't because I got a low white blood
Okay.
cell count sitting in the back of that jail cell.
Kelly,
No.
Kelly,
Call
doing
2088.
all this is not
Call
going to make a difference.
2088. Nope, it is.
It's not.
It is.
It is not.
It is.
Okay.
What's the difference? Can you explain that to me, please?
814.
Well, you're not supposed to be here.
I know that
Then why are you here? then?
because I went to Judson University and she would have
That's not an excuse, Kelly. You know what I'm saying?
She would have been me.
I get it. I understand. Okay, but you need to get in the squad. Okay?
I can't fit. My whole thigh got burned over here, bro.
Kelly,
You're choking me.
there's nobody choking you. There's nobody even touching you right now.
That's because you on body cam.
You're leaning on me.
Where's your body cam?
It's literally right.
Where's your body cam?
It's right on my vest. You're gonna get dragged, Kelly. This
Stand up for
is
it.
not good for you.
I
Okay?
can get her legs. Does anyone want to be on the other side?
I think Johnson is.
All right.
Now stand me up.
Okay.
Yep. Are you gonna stand up on your own?
Kelly, we're gonna go inside. Okay? We're gonna go inside, Kelly. Well, that's another charge for you.
Kelly. Hey, listen to me. Can you sit up? Why not? Take your leg off. Pull her on.
Okay, then sit down. Okay, then let's... Kelly, this is not gonna make a difference, okay?
It is.
It's not.
It is.
I'm gonna be very honest with you.
It is gonna make a difference.
What's the difference?
Y'all crooked. 60123 is crooked.
Okay, what's the difference?
60123 is crooked.
Can you tell me what's the difference?
60123 is crooked.
Kelly.
60123 is crooked.
Kelly, can you talk?
60123 is crooked.
Kelly, I'm trying
60123 is crooked. 60123 is crooked.
Why is it crooked? Can you explain that to me, please?
Call the notice. Call the Kane County Sheriff.
Okay.
Call my attorney. Call my abogado.
You can call them.
Y'all going to jail. 60123 is crooked. 60123 is crooked.
You shouldn't be resisting.
60123 is crooked.
Do you get what I'm talking about?
60123 is crooked.
Kelly.
You hurting my hips, bro.
Kelly, that's
You're gonna kill me.
Kelly, that's
You're gonna kill me.
No one's you.
Yes, you are.
Nobody is touching you, Kelly.
Exactly.
Okay.
You broke my toe already, bro. You broke my nail already, bro.
We're getting an ambulance for you to come check
Nah,
it out.
you gonna put up, you gonna baby toe that, you gonna call
The ambulance.
you gonna car not even here, bro. Can you grab that notice right there?
Yeah, we'll grab it. Can you swing your feet?
No. No.
Kelly,
No.
can you swing your feet
60123 is dirty.
No trespassing.
swing your
There
feet
you
over
go.
here?
Now get my Lululemon wristlet. Get my Lululemon wristlet. Get my Lululemon wristlet.
Everything is in the bag, right?
It's in the property bag in the
All
back
right,
of the car,
get your
right?
legs up.
Swing your feet, this other foot up.
Hold on. Hold on. I was in a hit and run.
Okay.
In the back of this building. You know what they did? They pulled up to 60123 and sped off the lot. Y'all better put some respect on my name.
I was gonna go there. I said, I'm not gonna lie.
Now I get that shit. Now all y'all going to jail. That's attempted vehicular manslaughter.